drone! The drone! Stop! Hello? Thanks, man! Let's go do some adventuring. Ooh, let's do a Smith grind on this curb. That's why we need tags, dude. Imagine. Oh my god, this is sketch. This is definitely how the bike falls over. Get that signature picture angle. See what I mean? Sketch. You seen it here if it falls in. There's a fish. There was a fish. Wow. So, the drone is following me. Should follow me everywhere I go. So I should be okay to put this in the backpack and try some cool stuff. Is it following me? I can't really tell. Definitely not flying along. Let's see what not. What's happening, feller? I ain't even no come. Oh, it's because it's on spotlight. Active track. Trace. Oh. So now it should follow me. Yeah, what's up? Oh, I thought the drone was losing me. Do a quick look here. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no, the drone! The drone! Stop! It just lost me. I confused it. Oh no! Alright, stay there, buddy. Oh, hold on, let me see. Oh god, that's how I lost the... Oh god, it's slippery in there. Alright, so I lost the drone, but it's looking at the... It's looking at the... Oh boy, it's looking at the trees. I gotta go get the controller because I didn't bring the backpack. Let's be quick about it, huh? Let's go get a drone back. Priority is drone. It's out there alone. Shut the bike off, otherwise we're stuck. It's so windy. Okay, it's still alive. Let's go. How's this guy? Oh, hello. Oh my god, this thing is wild. Good job. Nailed it. Let's see if this works again. It's gonna fly right into the sun. Oh my god. I don't like this at all. It's like, holy crash, look at this thing. Alright, let's just trust it. It's doing alright. Oh my god. Doesn't like that. Doesn't like to just be blah, 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 blah. It really doesn't like that. Oh, it's following me pretty quick. Alright, fella. See if I can lose you. If I lose you here. Oh, okay. It's still there. Oh, it might be traction control. It is. If you're smooth with it, it doesn't do it. Oh, where'd the drone go? Oh, there it is. Alright, so that means we could do it. Oh, did I lose it? I lost it. Okay, so it definitely has its limitations. But I'm happy I lost it over here. We in sport mode. Where's it going? Look at this, sky high itself. Is it just returning to home? Oh, I don't know what it's doing. The drone is wild. I feel like it's just gonna lose itself. I don't even know where it's at anymore. Drone. Drone. Strong. It's just sending itself up. Oh my god, I just jumped sky high. Get down here, ding dong. Down, forward. Just get down. Just get on the ground. Oh my goodness. Oh god. That's good. Shoot, let's just use it as a gimbal like this. This is how you get the real footage. Oh, the sun's peeking out now. Of course it is. Let's leave as soon as the sun comes out. Big bird. Look at these big birds. Big vulture turkey things. That turkey? I don't even. Oh my god, those are huge. Don't eat me. You gotta get out of here. I got pterodactyls.